We have a lot of great choices in the full-size light-duty pickup truck market. There's very strong competition. They're all constantly nipping at each other's heels. The Ford F-Series has been the #1 for almost 60 years. So Chevy, Ram, Toyota. Unfortunately, Nissan has waved the white flag and discontinued the Titan. But we all have great choices for full-size pickup trucks in the US market. And the Silverado is also an excellent choice. Obviously, we have a fondness for our Ford F-Series here at Scarff Ford. My name's Joe. But today we're going to talk about this nice 2017 Silverado that we have for sale. We recently took this one on trade. It has a little over 90,000 miles, but it's in great shape. It has the LT trim package on it. I have fondness for Silverados, even though I work at a Ford dealership. I have owned a Silverado in the past, liked it very much. And one strong point of the Silverado is the engine. There's a number of different engines available. A fan favorite is a 5.3 liter Vortec V8 pumping out 355 horsepower in this model year. It's a great compromise between performance and efficiency. Many consider it one of the best V8 engines ever offered in the US market. They have a reputation for going many hundreds of thousands of miles when they're well cared for. This Silverado of 92,000 miles runs and drives great. Otherwise, we'd send it to the auction. When vehicles get close to 100,000 miles, they really need to be in above average shape and pass our rigorous safety and mechanical inspections for us to consider selling them on our lot. We don't want to sell any troublesome cars. We have a 5-day, 500-mile return policy here, so if a car is problematic, it's probably gonna get returned anyways. If people get a lemon, they can figure it out pretty quick. So in that instance, we just don't want to deal with any headaches. We don't want to have our customers have headaches because we've been in business 103 years, and we've been in business that long by selling nice quality vehicles, new and pre-owned. But this one is definitely retail worthy. It passed our safety and mechanical inspection. The brakes are good, the tires are good. It's been reconditioned and detailed, and it's ready for a new home. Nice bedliner. We have a hard tonneau cover. This one has a tow hitch on it. Great tow rig with that 5.3 liter V8. Nice side steps. This is the LT, but very nicely appointed. Has a nice cloth interior. We have all season mats, and you can also flip the seats up for more storage space if there's stuff you don't want to put back there in the pickup bed. Lots of space for a growing family. Interior and exterior in great shape. Definitely doesn't look and drive like it has 92,000 miles on it. This flips up so you can see 3 across here for a total of 6. You can flip it down. You have a center console, storage, charging, USB connectivity, cup holders, lots of storage right here. You have pretty much like 2 glove compartments, and you have a USB in there too, so you can charge your phone. We have a parking camera, dual zone climate control, nice leather up wheel with contrast stitching. We have an integrated trailer brake controller, great tow rig with that 5.3 liter V8. 4-wheel drive system is really easy to operate. You have 2-wheel drive, you have auto mode, but it's great for variable conditions like a mix of like dry pavement, maybe snowy, icy pavement, 4-wheel drive high, and 4-wheel drive low. Thank you for joining us on this walk-around video of this awesome 2017 Silverado 1500. We are Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content and are watching on YouTube, and we'll see you next time.